hands-free coffee grinding has never been easier than with the Sage Smart Grinder Pro. This clever feature ensures that the grinder will automatically stop once it has finished grinding the set amount of coffee. To activate automatic grinding, press and release the Start, Pause, Cancel button or push the portafilter handle once. Grinding will commence and stop once complete using the parameters set on the LCD. Another convenient function is the Pause button. It allows you to pause the grinder during operation to collapse and settle your coffee in the portafilter. Press the button again to resume grinding the remaining dose. The program function is designed to streamline the grinding process when switching between espresso, drip filter, and plunger. This feature allows you to program your favorite setting, and once you have your basic dose set, it will remember it. Once you have set your required dose, you can program this time into the number of shots currently displayed on the LCD. To start programming, press and hold the Program button and the grinder will beep twice to confirm. Depending on which mode you're adjusting, either the shot or cup amount will be displayed. Only this setting will be programmed, and all other shots or cups will remain unchanged. Repeat this process for each of your desired coffee modes. But if you prefer to have complete control over how much coffee is dispensed, you'll appreciate the manual grinding feature. To activate the manual grind, press and hold the Start, Pause, Cancel button, or push the portafilter handle, which will activate the portafilter switch. Hold the handle in until you have the desired amount of ground coffee. To stop grinding, simply release the portafilter handle or release the Start, Pause, Cancel button. The grind is all under your control with the Smart Grinder Pro.